Hello, Dan Sullivan here. Going to go over information security plan services under the theme of securing your world, what you need to do. We're digital tech partners. We're a service disabled, veteran owned, small business. Secure your world at a glance. You need to establish a privacy program. You need to build a security program. You need to understand your cybersecurity tool set at your disposal. Learn how to harden your systems, define a vulnerability and assessment program, and develop, most importantly, incident response policies that protect you. Privacy program. Your internal privacy policy will focus on data protection of your personal identifiable information. And by doing so, you will get in line with compliance laws and regulations. Your public facing privacy policy is one item. You'll have employee training on the privacy policy. We'll also create an internal data retention policy. Validate it all with a tabletop exercise. That's your privacy program. A security program, we deliver security awareness training for employees and contractors, phishing awareness training, clean desk policy, a visitor program will identify your digital assets and implement multi-factor authentication. Cybersecurity tool set will go over what your tools are, your VPN, your secure wireless networking um, best practices, talk about a secure email gateway, do some system auditing, configure a backup solution, test the solution, domain name system and content filtering, endpoint detection and response, and security incident and event management. We'll review all of these things so you'll understand what your cybersecurity tool set is and can be. System hardening. We need to create an inventory of all your installed software, remove all necessary software and close unused ports, implement a zero trust model, apply group policies through Active Directory, secure your endpoints, implement perimeter security, use automated patch management software, and monitor track behavior in cloud applications. This is all part of an information security plan. Vulnerability management and assessment. We'll define a vulnerability analysis for you and a resolution strategy. You need to identify the software used in your environment and develop a patch management policy if you don't have one. You need to establish periodic reviews of your internal system and obtain a level of understanding of your vulnerabilities. Most importantly, you need to document and understand your organization's risk. So, response. This is our deliverable. This is the biggie. There's a few others, but this is the big one, the incident response policy. It's a mandatory. Most people don't have one. They don't even know what I'm talking about when I bring it up. We're going to define behaviors for each incident and put it in a policy. We'll need a statement of management commitment. So the anatomy of an incident response policy is as such. There'll be purpose and objectives. We'll define the scope of each policy. Each policy, there'll be people that have roles, responsibilities, and decision trees. Those will vary based on the policy. Perhaps it depends on your company. We'll classify the severity level and rating of each incident. Some incidents that occur are soft incidents and not fatal to your business. Others are catastrophic. And finally, we'll document reporting procedures and the forms that you need, because if you do have an incident, you have to report it to your insurance company, to the FBI, and to an organization called CISA, Center for Internet Security. Finally, document procedures within each policy, step-by-step instructions to execute. Everyone's processes are detailed. That's the anatomy of the incident response policy. And that's the value here for you. So let's walk through the essentials, the journey to secure your organization, your privacy program, your security program, which we talked about, identifying your cybersecurity tool set. And we can recommend things that you'll need to do. and review everything. System hardening. How hardened is the system to attack? Let's let's talk about that. And then vulnerability management and assessment and ongoing health check would be something that we'd address there. And then most importantly, response. You need an incident response plan. And that's the key giveaway and deliverable for the information security plan service, along with business continuity. So secure your world and get protected. Our information security plan service features policy development, uh, specifically incident response plan and business continuity plan policies. We'll validate these with tabletop exercises where the team of people in the decision tree will exercise each policy. It needs to work if you have to use it. And we'll do all this for one low price of $6,000. Buy now, schedule it with us, and we look forward to working with you. Thanks for your time. Have a great day.